How to achieve silky and shiny hair. Are you tired of dealing with dull, lifeless hair? Then it's time to say hello to those gorgeous hair that you always wanted, and say goodbye to your dull and lifeless hair, because in today's video, I am going to sharing my step-by-step guide on hair care. Are you ready to transform your look? Let's start, but before we start, subscribe my channel to join me on your glow up journey. Trust me, I can help you in transforming your look. This video covers caring for your hair, natural treatments, healthy lifestyle choices. Let's start. Handle your hair. Handle your hair gently when you wash and dry it, as this can significantly impact its texture and appearance. Roughly dry your hair can cause frizz and make your hair look dull, so keep the following tips in mind to achieve healthy hair. When shampooing, avoid scrubbing your hair roughly. Instead, massage the shampoo gently into your hair and distribute it with your fingers. Rinse your conditioner with the coldest water you can tolerate. Cold water seals the cuticle and makes your hair look shiny, while hot water can cause frizz and dullness. Gently squeeze the water from your hair and pat it dry with a towel, rather than twisting and wringing it out. Shampoo. Shampoo just a few times a week. Shampooing your hair every single day causes it to dry out and become brittle. The natural oils your scalp produces to nourish your hair get rinsed away before they can do their job. If you want your hair to stay healthy and shiny, you only need to wash it once or twice a week, depending on your hair type. Experiment with your washing routine to find the perfect balance for your hair type, ensuring it remains soft, strong, and full of life. Towel dry your hair. Carefully squeeze out any excess water and then pat your hair with the microfiber towel, starting at the roots and working your way down to the tips. Avoid using terry cloth towels, since their tiny fibers can cause your hair to become frizzy. Instead, use an old t-shirt or a microfiber towel to dry your hair gently and effectively. 4. Avoid rubbing or scrunching your hair, which encourages the curl you're trying to tame. Comb your hair. Use a wide tooth comb instead of a plastic bristled brush to detangle your hair, especially when it's wet. Brushing can rip and damage your hair, whereas combing gently removes tangles without pulling it out. Start by combing near the tips and gradually work your way up to the roots. Use finishing oil or serum to add shine. If your hair tends to get frizzy and dull, hair oil or serum will smooth it down and protect it from the elements during the day. Put a few drops on your fingertips and run the serum through your hair, focusing on the tips. Look for hair serum or oil that contains one of the following nourishing ingredients: argan oil, Moroccan oil, jojoba oil. Don't use damaging treatments. Dyeing, bleaching, chemically straightening, and chemically curling your hair all damage the shaft. For the healthiest possible hair, it's best to stop these treatments and let your hair take on its natural color and texture. Your hair might not be the exact color you want, but it will be healthy, shiny, and silky. If you do want to dye your hair, look into henna, honey, or tea dyeing. These natural dyes actually restore shine to your hair, rather than damaging it. You won't be able to achieve a dramatic color change, but you can go a few shades lighter or darker. Avoid hairstyles that pull your hair. Avoid hairstyles that pull your hair tightly, as they can cause damage and hair loss. Styles like waves, wefts, and dreads often require keeping your hair in a tight position for a long time, which can be harmful. Some weaves are less damaging than others. For instance, sewn-in weaves are usually better than glue-in ones, but it's best to avoid them entirely for healthier hair. Using an egg. Use an egg for hair care. Though it might seem unusual, an egg can greatly benefit your hair. The yolk hydrates and moisturizes, preventing dullness, while the egg white removes buildup, leaving your hair clean and clarified. Additionally, the protein in egg strengthens your hair, resulting in a shiny appearance after just one treatment. Follow these steps for a simple egg hair treatment. Firstly, beat one egg in a small bowl, then wet your hair thoroughly. Now, pour the beaten egg over your head, using a wide tooth comb to distribute it evenly from roots to tips. Let the egg sit in your hair for at least 15 minutes. Lastly, shampoo your hair as usual and rinse with cold water for enhanced shine. Make an avocado hair mask. Apply avocado hair mask for moisture and shine. Avocado contains natural fats that nourish your hair and add shine. Use a ripe avocado for easy application. This mask works wonders when your hair needs a moisturizing boost. 1. Prepare the avocado. Mash a ripe avocado until smooth. Alternatively, use a blender to process it. 2. Dampen your hair. Wet your hair thoroughly. 3. Apply the mask. Spread the mashed avocado evenly from your roots to the tips of your hair. 4. Let it sit. Allow the mask to remain in your hair for at least 15 minutes. 5. Wash your hair. Shampoo your hair as usual and rinse with cold water. Use honey. Honey attracts moisture and has clarifying properties, making it ideal for adding shine to dull hair. Raw honey is the most nourishing, but any type of honey works fine. To make a honey hair mask. 1. Mix a 1/4 cup honey with a 1/4 cup warm water. 2. Wet your hair. 3. Comb the mixture into your hair. 4. Let it sit for 15 minutes or more. 5. Shampoo your hair as usual, then rinse with cold water. This simple treatment can help revitalize and add luster to your hair. Eat healthy, balanced diet. Give your hair the right amount of vitamins. Since hair is made of proteins, eat a balanced diet rich in lean protein, whole grains, fruits and vegetables. A healthy diet will ensure hair that looks and feels better. Give your hair some time to show new brilliance. What you eat will not have an immediate difference on the hair you already have, but it will help with hair that is newly growing. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water or other fluids each day to keep your body hydrated. Additionally, you can enjoy foods like soups, fruits, and vegetables which provide fluids. This helps keep your body and your hair healthy. Water is the best choice, but you can also keep hydrated with tea, juice, and other beverages. Drink more water if are active. Massage your scalp to promote hair growth. Besides feeling great, massage promotes good circulation in the scalp, which helps your hair grow faster and stronger. Do a scalp massage every day, or at least every time you take a shower. Just place your fingers on your scalp and rub it using a gentle circular motion. To enhance your massage, try using coconut oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil. This is especially beneficial if you're worried about thinning hair. Get regular trims. Trim off your split ends regularly to keep your hair in the best of health. Getting regular trims will also make your hair look shinier in appearance, since you're removing the dull, damaged parts. Choose a cut that brings out the best in your hair, and get your locks trimmed every 6-8 weeks. Remove stress from your life. Physical and mental stressors will keep your hair from realizing its full potential. Stress can cause hair loss, so try not to let stress overcome you. This means finding healthy emotional outlets for your stress. Yoga, biking, meditation, or other forms of exercise all work well. And there you have it, my top tips and tricks on how to get healthy, smooth, and shiny hair that will have you feeling like $1,000,000. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair care, so make sure to follow these steps regularly to maintain your gorgeous locks. With a little love and dedication, you can achieve the hair of your dreams and turn heads wherever you go. So go ahead, give your hair the love and attention it deserves, and watch as it transforms into a mane of silky smooth perfection. You've got this, beautiful.